Sustainability is defined as the capacity to endure over time. Origins for the word sustain come from the Old French soutenir, meaning to hold up, support, or endure. My presentation will focus on the selection and adoption of learning technologies and how likely they are to hold up over time. Resources are limited, whether in regard to physical space, time, human, and financial resources. Regardless of whether we're talking about the environment or technology for teaching and learning, we need to consider the consumption and conservation of these finite resources. Every day, new technologies are being developed and marketed to educators at an ever-increasing rate. As exciting as many of these innovations can be, we cannot possibly adopt and support them all. Quite frankly, the number of choices can be overwhelming. So which emerging technologies should we invest in? How do we know which technologies will still be around in another year or two or three? Read the latest journals and blogs? Look at what other institutions are doing? Ask our most trusted vendors? This morning I'm going to offer for your consideration a framework that looks at 5 characteristics of learning technologies, which I hope will prove useful in evaluating the degree of sustainability. That is, how well an emerging technology will hold up. The first thing we need to recognize is that adoption of emerging technology is being driven by flexibility. Flexibility in regards to time and place. Online enrollments are displacing traditional face-to-face enrollments, not only for distance learning, but on campus as well. Sometimes sustainability is a matter of balancing time and place. Blended learning is more flexible in terms of time. By reducing seat time and shifting at least some of the interactions to asynchronous online delivery. In this respect, blended learning is more sustainable than traditional face-to-face. Web conferencing is an example of a technology that provides more flexibility in regards to place. Although the synchronous nature of web conferencing requires scheduling of a specific class time, it is more sustainable than having to meet at a designated location. Technologies that are standards-based provide a greater interoperability with other solutions, including browsers, operating systems, and file formats, making them more sustainable than proprietary solutions. Interoperability offers learners greater access to less restrictive learning environments. Not long ago, proprietary technology was the rule. Serial ports, parallel ports, zip drives, and so on worked only on specific technology. Along came the USB port, a standard solution for managing storage, connecting to a monitor, printer, video camera, backing up my PC or my MacBook. To what degree does a given technology support opportunities for learning interactions? Student to student, student to instructor, and student to content. Being able to view and to carry around the content is one thing, but does the technology allow you to edit, publish, and share it with others? When we share media under open licensing options, such as Creative Commons, we may make our creative works available to be recycled and repurposed. My images can become videos, music, photos, data, research, animation, and adopted across the Academy. We are seeing more and more technology offered as a web service. Cloud-based solutions are more accessible when we log into them from anywhere and at any time using a variety of appliances. Oftentimes they allow for others to collaborate from other places and times using various platforms. Examples of cloud-based computing, where we're not just places to store our artifacts, but to adopt applications that allow us to interact with, modify, and share content, such as Google Docs, Skype, Flickr, YouTube, WordPress, SlideShare, and more. The cost of delivering technology can greatly impact its sustainability, but it is equally important to consider consumer trends. For example, the publishing industry. How has digital media and the ability to distribute via the internet impacted the sale and distribution of music, video, art, books? The digital or e-textbook will likely replace the traditional hardbound print text. Not only is it more portable and less expensive, but annotations, navigation, and rich media can be easily and readily integrated. E-textbooks can be shared in whole or in part, or mashed up to create custom solutions. The iPad and Zoom tablets with their user-facing cameras and thousands of apps allow learners and instructors to connect synchronously and asynchronously. The 3G and Wi-Fi networks mean the portable, lightweight appliances can be used to connect from anywhere and at any time. The mobility of handheld devices, open standards, consumers' ability to create and share apps, especially those that allow us to interact with our environment virtually at any time and from anywhere, will change the way we learn going forward. The degree to which all of these come together, flexibility in regards to time and place, standards-based, clouds-based, open license, accessibility, and connectedness, all help provide insight into a given learning technology's sustainability. That, and the degree to which a given sustainable solution actually converges with other sustainable